Coming up on this episode with Isabella Flowers, your real estate agent. Today's home tour takes us to Enterprise, Alabama. Built in 1995, this home has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. You'll notice the exterior is brick and wood. Also, if you do have little ones running around, this front portion of the sidewalk here would be a nice place for some chalk art during playtime. A pro with this house is that you do have some space away from the road with a front yard. If you like to decorate for the holidays or other events, I know some people like to decorate with birthday signs for people and their kids. Well, here you have a canvas to do so. During Christmas, you could even hang some lights on your bushes there. You have parking for your vehicles. I like that it connects to your sidewalk as well, all the way to the front door. It's all connected. The house sits on a generous lot where you can enjoy your backyard space. So you also have a backyard. Think of all the good memories you can have in this backyard, whether it be grilling out, putting some chairs out here to spend time with your friends or loved ones, or just playing with your pets. As we enter the front door, you'll see the tile flooring in what would be considered your living room or grand room. With the current color scheme, you can have a wide range and variety of different colored furniture pieces that would pair very nicely already. There's no red or green carpet like back in the day. Growing up, we had red carpet actually in our childhood home. Trends have changed for sure. And you have a closet right here you could use for linens or extra storage. You could put cleaning products in there or just some things that you just need packed away. Here is the main bedroom. You have 2 nice windows and room to place your bed, dresser, and a side table if you'd like. You have a full bathroom attached to your main bedroom. You have that same tile that you've seen throughout the living room and in other areas of the home. And you have a tub shower combo with a single sink in here. We'll also visit this closet here in just a second, and this is the area that you can store and hang your clothes and shoes. The kitchen. The kitchen encompasses more of the natural wood look for the cabinets, an oven, refrigerator, and a window over the sink so you can look outside while you wash dishes. That same tile is used for the flooring in here. Okay, so I have a question for you all. Do you guys put your spices in a pull-out drawer like one of these, or do you put them in a separate cabinet or in a separate section of a cabinet, or do you put them over the oven? Where do you guys put your spices? Very curious. I put mine over the oven. That's what I do. I haven't really thought to change it out. So what do you guys do? Let me know in the comments. Your back door to the backyard that we visited earlier and your laundry room are located here. This laundry room features a shelf for easy access to your detergents and cleaning supplies. One of my impressions of this house is that they tried to keep the same kind of style flowing throughout each room. And even though this is not new construction, it's not a new construction home, it does make it feel more put together since they did that. You'd be surprised what you can do, even if you don't own a brand new home. There's things that you can do to just make it feel more cohesive. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed yet, but the ceiling lights in the rooms all seem to be flush instead of every room having mixed and matched light fixtures. And that also goes for the flooring and the paint on the walls. If you notice, it all seems to flow together. Here in this bedroom, it's very similar again, very cohesive to the other bedrooms. It has that same tile flooring throughout, a window, and its own closet. This is a 4-bedroom home, so that being said, there's probably going to be at least 3, if not 4 people living here. So with this extra closet right here, you can definitely utilize this space to store things. That shelf above in the closet is a really good spot to store purses and bags, and even some shoes if you guys have some extra shoes. So let's go on to our last bedroom. Again, it's very similar to the appearance with that cohesive theme running throughout the home. You have a window, and then you also have a closet. If one of these is going to be a spare bedroom, what would you guys make it into? Would it be a workout room, an office, or just another guest bedroom? This home is for rent and it's currently being managed under Red House Property Management. Pets are welcome with a pet fee, and the current rent is $1,250 per month. Let me know if you'd like to apply to rent this property or a different one. My information will be in the description as well as at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.